All right, so I mean, it's kind of obvious. You can see here, it wobbles here. This one wobbles here. And we're going to go over what you need to fix it. It's going to be the same for both, and this should be true for 99% of all fridges. So, you've got your standard Phillips heads right here. And down here, where it's probably the issue, you have a hex right in there. So, let me show you the tools you're going to need. So, you'll need a Phillips head, possibly a flathead. I used to do appliances for a job not a few years ago. Pretty much all of them are Phillips, and also you get bonus feet and wiener dog video footage. So this is a Tecton set of hex keys. You don't have to go this. This is just an old one that doesn't have it, but just getting one of these to throw in a drawer is helpful because a lot of stuff uses these, and these are a little longer. And kind of surprising, it took a standard 332. There's probably some metric number that equates to there, but all right. We're going to start with tighten up the top screws. Let's see. They are a little loose. I think it's the bottom, but we're just going to go through. Wow, that one was actually decently loose. So that helped considerably. It's still wobbly on the bottom. So these will sometimes work loose. Now let's start working on tightening the bottom. All right. Now we've got the top here. I tightened this up just a little bit off camera because I wanted to make sure I had the right one. But as you can see, we've got it tight. Let me give it a little bit more. All right, there we go. All right, so now we're on to the freezer side. And we're going to start with this one. And righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. And it doesn't have to be super tight. And that has pretty much fixed all the wobble. I'm just going to snug it down just a little bit. All right. And that should keep it from working loose. Now let's work on tightening these freezer screws. So, this is pretty much all the wobble's gone. I'm just going to tighten these screws up just a little bit. And the freezer's done. All right. So now y'all can see the final results. We're not loose here. We're actually shaking the fridge. We're not shaking the handles. But it's not that hard of a job to do. You don't want to do these too tight. You can strip out your screws or break them. And those little hex screws that you tighten, usually there's plastic behind there. Some of the nicer fridges have metal. Just give it a little bit of a tighten up against, and that's all you have to do. And this stuff age, it may work loose. If it really consistently becomes an issue, you can see about getting some blue Loctite to tighten it up. But this has been Z66. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a good one. Goodbye.